Welcome to Best Choice. The best oxygen regulator is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for anyone working with a torch. It ensures a steady and safe flow of oxygen from high-pressure tanks, which is vital for both welding and cutting. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of oxygen regulators, exploring their key features, different types, and what you need to know to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. SALDP Series Welding Gas Gauges. This is the SALDP Series regulator. It is designed for welding gases. Before you buy, make sure it fits your tanks and hoses. Please carefully check the connector information. You can choose from oxygen, acetylene, or propane regulators. Ensure the dimensions match your tanks and hoses. The oxygen regulator fits American oxygen tanks with a CGA 540 valve. It delivers 0 to 100 psi. Note that it will not fit disposable oxygen canisters. The acetylene regulator fits small MC tanks with a CGA 200 valve. It delivers 0 to 30 psi. It will not fit larger acetylene tanks or propane tanks. The propane regulator fits industrial or grill-style propane tanks with a CGA 510 valve. It delivers 0 to 30 psi. This regulator will not fit small MC or be acetylene tanks or disposable canisters. These regulators use Type B, 916 to 18 RH and LH hose connectors. It will not fit small hoses with Type A, 3/8 connectors. Make sure your hoses are compatible before purchasing. What we like. This regulator offers a wide range of compatibility with different tank types, ensuring a proper fit for your needs. The clear connector dimensions provided help you to avoid any compatibility issues. If you have various tank sizes or are unsure about the correct fit, this is a great choice. What people say. This gauge is heavy, solid, and appears to be of very high quality, particularly for the price, and works flawlessly for me. Nice large dials and easy to read. The gauge works well, readings on the gauges seem to be accurate and works as it should. Number 4. RX-WELD Oxygen and Acetylene Regulators. This is the RX-WELD regulator set, designed for oxygen and acetylene tanks. It features CGA 540 and CGA 200 inlet connectors, ensuring compatibility with various tanks. This set is perfect for your welding needs. The outlet connectors use a 916 to 18 thread, perfect for 1/4-inch B fittings on twin welding hoses. This design ensures a secure and leak-free connection. It is easy to set up and use. The regulators have 2 dials for accurate pressure monitoring. The oxygen regulator reads up to 4000 psi input and 100 psi output. The acetylene regulator reads up to 400 psi input and 30 psi output, giving you precise control. The package includes 1 oxygen regulator and 1 acetylene regulator. It also comes with a PC handle and outlet hose connector nuts. Everything you need is included. The regulator's body is made of high-quality brass, built to withstand tough conditions. This ensures the product's longevity and reliability. You can count on it for all your welding projects. The small acetylene regulator fits only small MC tanks with a CGA 200 valve. It will not fit larger acetylene tanks, propane tanks, or disposable MAP propane canisters. Please make sure it fits your needs. What we like. This regulator set is built with high-quality brass, promising durability in tough conditions. It is also designed to work with twin welding hoses, making it a versatile option. If you are looking for a reliable regulator set that can withstand demanding use, consider this one. What people say. Quality is great. Fits on my tanks with no issues. Easy to adjust and set. Haven't had a problem yet and have used them a few times. Quality material and craftsmanship. Number 3. Yaetek Oxygen Regulator CGA 540. This is the Yaetek Oxygen Regulator. It's designed for large tanks and features a CGA 540 inlet thread. This regulator ensures precise control for your welding needs. The body of this regulator is made of solid brass, ensuring durability and longevity. This robust construction makes it reliable for demanding applications. It comes with 2 to 5 8-foot diameter gauges for easy pressure monitoring. The gauges provide clear and accurate readings, helping you maintain optimal performance. The inlet pressure range is from 0 to 4,000 psi. It handles high-pressure oxygen tanks with ease, providing a safe and efficient operation. The outlet pressure is adjustable from 0 to 200 psi. This allows you to fine-tune the oxygen flow for various cutting and welding tasks. What we like. This regulator provides a high outlet pressure, which is ideal for cutting torches. The solid brass body ensures durability and longevity. If you need a regulator for heavy-duty cutting tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. These have done the job so far. No issues. Solid, heavy construction. Adjusts and functions as well as the Victor I replaced. Quality and precision built. Uniform application. Number 2. Victor 350-125-540 Oxygen Regulator. Introducing the Victor 350-125-540 Oxygen Regulator. This regulator is a reliable choice for your oxygen supply needs. It's built to last and provide consistent performance. This heavy-duty regulator is designed for demanding applications. It ensures a steady and controlled oxygen flow. You can depend on it for consistent results. The regulator offers a delivery rate ranging from 5 to 125 psi. This wide range makes it suitable for various applications. It provides the flexibility you need. Featuring a CGA 540 connection, it is compatible with standard oxygen cylinders. This makes it easy to connect and get started. It's a convenient and safe choice. Constructed with full brass, this regulator is built for durability. The brass construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions. It's a long-lasting investment. This is a genuine Victor product, known for its quality and reliability. You can trust it to deliver consistent performance. It's the best choice for your oxygen needs. What we like. This regulator is a heavy-duty option from the trusted Victor brand. It is designed for reliable performance. If you are looking for a robust and dependable regulator, this is a solid choice. What people say. Perfect out of the box, perfect for the long haul. Big, easy to read gauges. All brass. Works as it should. Works as advertised. Arrived on time and it is larger than my previous one and easier to read. Number 1. Victor G250 Oxygen and Acetylene Regulators. Today, we're taking a look at the Victor G250 series regulators. This set includes both oxygen and acetylene regulators, designed for precision and safety. This is the G250-15-510 acetylene regulator. It ensures a steady and controlled flow of acetylene for your welding and cutting needs. This regulator is built to last and perform. And here we have the G250-150-540 oxygen regulator. It provides a consistent supply of oxygen, crucial for optimal performance. You can rely on it for your projects. Both regulators feature ergonomic, color-coded adjustment knobs. This design makes it easy to identify and adjust the pressure settings. It's user-friendly and efficient. The regulators also have high-contrast gauge faces. This feature ensures that you can easily read the pressure levels at a glance. It enhances safety and accuracy. Finally, the compact design makes them easy to handle and store. They are designed to fit seamlessly into your existing setup. It's a great choice for professionals. What we like. This regulator features an ergonomic, color-coded adjustment knob for ease of use. The high-contrast gauge face ensures easy readability. If you value user-friendly design and clear visibility, you'll appreciate this one. What people say. These regulators work great and offer smooth micro-adjustments to my oxygen and acetylene. They worked fine and are accurate. Victor gauges are the best. They do everything I need them to do, precise adjusting and accurate, no problems whatsoever. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.